Hello, my name is Craig Bile. I'm Engineering Manager at Gallagher Fluid Seals. Here to talk about PTFE and some of the fillers that are used in manufacturing of the seal materials. As discussed earlier, PTFE comes in a variety of fillered characteristics, from a virgin PTFE, which has no materials added to the compound, to an elaborate compound such as a moly glass, which has molybdenum disulfide and fiberglass fillers added to the PTFE for wear resistance and lubricity. There's other compounds such as a graphite filled material, gives exceptional extrusion resistance and wear resistance. The fillers used in the applications are carbon, glass, molybdenum disulfide, stainless steel. All of these additives give the seals different physical properties. When we add molybdenum and glass to an application, we get a better wear resistance as well as lubricity. When we add carbon fiber to PTFE, it gives the material much better creep resistance, wear resistance, and allows it to be used in a water application. We have modified PTFE products, which are low fill compounds, which allow for the material to have exceptional lubricity from the PTFE, but still have structural integrity by the additives. Mineral filled products are our FDA compliant product line. These mineral filled PTFEs are FDA compliant.